Today we're diving into Upscale, a free AI image upscaler that promises to enhance your photos with just a few clicks. But does it really deliver on that promise? Let's find out if it's worth your time. Upscale is designed to upscale images using AI technology, aiming to improve the quality of your photos without losing detail. The core functionality revolves around its ability to take lower resolution images and make them look sharper and more vibrant, which is particularly useful for photographers and digital artists. When you first land on the website, the user interface feels clean and straightforward, making it accessible even for those who aren't tech savvy. You simply upload your image, select the desired upscale factor, and let the AI do its magic. However, while the concept is solid, some areas feel a bit lacking. For instance, there's limited information on how the AI processes images, and users might be left wondering about the specific algorithms being used. Plus, it's unclear how well it performs with different types of images like intricate patterns versus simple landscapes. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Upscale is completely free, which is a huge win for anyone looking to enhance their images without breaking the bank. The user interface is intuitive, making it easy for anyone to get started. On the flip side, there are some frustrations. The lack of detailed information about the processing methods may leave some users feeling uneasy about the reliability of the results. Additionally, while it generally works well, some users might find that the upscale quality varies depending on the source image, which could be a deal breaker for professional use. Overall, while Upscale is great for casual users, those needing guaranteed high-quality results might want to consider other options. In conclusion, Upscale is a solid choice for anyone looking to upscale images for free. It's user-friendly and gets the job done for casual use. However, if you're a professional needing consistent, high-quality results, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it's worth trying, but with some caution.